Hello everyone, Jan here today from Neila, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can set up a RAG chatbot with Neila just within a few seconds. So you just actually need two nodes here, and the beauty of Neila is that it is RAG native, which means that you don't need to set up any vector databases, neither you need to think of chunking strategies to have a RAG chatbot enabled by default. So we have here a manual trigger node with a specific query. Does Neila have a Google Drive connector? Then we have here an AI agent, and this AI agent you can select specific tools, and we have a search collection tool, which is our RAG tool, and we can choose which collection we want to search for. So by default we have a starter collection, which is our Neila knowledge base. So I save the node, I run the workflow, and you see the beauty has been done. Yes, Neila has a Google Drive connector, and so on. So you'll see we have set up a RAG chatbot within a few seconds, super easy with our Neila starter collection. So now you could go ahead, use this workflow, and instead you can also add additional kind of collections. So in this case we use the starter collection Neila knowledge base, which has 922 files, and these are all like different kind of FAQ pages, our website pages, and our docs indexed here into this collection. So our kind of RAG chatbot has the context of internal Neila data. You can now go ahead, go to Neila, create a collection, new collection, name it whatever you want to name it, my collection, upload your files, or create a new connector and connect it to your Google Drive, SharePoint, and so on to make your collection context aware. Then go back to workflows, select the RAG chatbot as a template, configure the Neila agent, select search collection tool, and select your desired collection, in this case Neila knowledge base. I could also now see I have another collection which I called my collection, which is the one I just created, and use this one instead, and then you already have it up to date. You can just run a RAG chatbot with a few seconds. You have two nodes. It's super simple, no technical knowledge required. Anybody can set up a RAG chatbot that answers questions based on the internal data within a few seconds. So have fun with this workflow, and we are excited to see what you are building. Cheers.